In this video, I'm going to be showing you Photoshop in just under 5 minutes. We're going to be talking about layers, how to import images, how to apply effects on images, color, and text. This is a great video for anyone who just wants to get started in Photoshop. But comment below if you would like to see me do a more full, in-depth video on Photoshop, as we would love to do that for you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more videos to come. Let's go. Hey guys, so definitely go ahead and pause the video as you like as you watch this video, just so you don't miss anything. Okay, so to make a new document, you want to hit File, New, or Control N as the shortcut. You can select any of these image sizes as you like, custom or make your own. Let's go ahead and make this from pixels to inches, so it's easy for us to follow along. Go ahead and hit 8.5 by 11, keep it horizontal. Perfect. Hit Create. There we go. To zoom in and out of an image, hold down Control minus on your keyboard or plus to increase the size. To unlock the layer, double click on it. Now it's unlocked. Rename it anything you like. How about PS101? Hit OK. There you go. To duplicate an image or a layer, I should say, hold down Control. Hit J. Now it's all duplicated. To merge the layers, hold down Control and then hit E. Hold down Control, hit E, E, E. There you go. Now these are all merged. And to group a layer is Control G. So now this is grouped into one layer. To undo something in your layers or anything in general, you want to hit Control Z. So now it's back to where we were when we first started. So that's a little bit about layers. Let's talk about images. Images, you can hit File, Import, or drag and drop. I'm going to hit Control V to paste it. To increase the size of the image, hold down Control T. And you have these anchor points. You want to hold Shift and increase the images as the sizes as you like. Don't do this without holding Shift. If you don't hold Shift, this is what happens. It gets all stretched out, all wonky, so you definitely want to hold down Shift. Notice me holding down Shift and me taking my finger off of Shift, what happens. So hold down Shift every time you want to increase the image size. So there we go. Hit Return. There it is. Now let's talk about color. Color is awesome. You can go to images, you go to adjustments, you go to brightness, contrast level, curves, exposure. Here's my example. And by the way, in Photoshop, there's 10 ways of doing the same thing. So here's brightness, here is contrast. Let's cancel that. Another way is going to images. Let Photoshop do it for you by hitting auto tone, auto contrast, auto color. But let's do it ourselves. Let's go to window and let's go to adjustments. This is a really cool way. A lot of people don't really know about this feature, but adjustments here has a whole bunch of different color values you can play with. Let's try this one right here. This is called the Vibrance Mode. So Vibrance here, this is really cool for working on skin tones, which increases the skin tones for an image in Vibrance. You can also play with the saturation of this by decreasing it or increasing the saturation. So there it is. Let's undo that once again by Control Z. Notice that this is still left up here. If to delete a layer, just hit delete and there it is. Now we're back to where we were before. So that's a little bit about color. Also, to bring up the tone saturation, you can also hold down Control and hit U. Now you have your hue. You can change any color as you like. Play with saturation to that, or with lightness to darkness as you'd like as well. Let's hit cancel for that for now. Now we're back to where we were before. Let's talk about effects. Effects is really cool. Go to filter. These are all the effects in Photoshop, which is awesome. Let's try one right here. How about we go to distort, try spherize here. Notice that at 100% it's a globe. This is what it will look like. If I do less than 100, it will shrink that effect to make it less of an effect of this this spherize effect that Photoshop has to offer. But for example purposes, let's go ahead and make this to 100 to see what we get. So let's make this to 100, hit OK, and boom, there it is. It's a really crazy effect, but that's what you can do with effects in Photoshop. So now you know about layers, effects, color, and let's talk about typography. Here we go. So click on this for text or hit T on your keyboard for a shortcut. Click on that and type anything you like. How about we type in PS101? This is super small, so in order to increase the size, you want to highlight this. You can also go and you can hold down Control T, which brings up this menu right here, and you can increase the fonts from 40 to 100 PTs, which is points. And there we go. Now this is another way of doing that is you want to hold down Control T, same thing like we did with the image, and you can increase the size manually as well. So it's pretty cool. Notice that right here it's black and orange. If I select my text box, it'll be black. I flip it to orange, so now it is orange. But say if I don't like any of these colors, once again select it, click on this and select any color as you like. You can also use the RGB values right here or the index code right here. For now, let's make it red. How about that? Hit OK. So there we have it. Let's move this right here. And to change the background for this image right here, click on this layer, change it, toggle this from red to black by hitting the X on the keyboard. To select the paint bucket, just select it or press G for a shortcut. And there we have it, guys. That is your tutorial for Photoshop 101. Now you've just learned simply how to make layers, how to duplicate layers, how to group layers, how to make the effects, play with color, with typography, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much once again for watching it. If you have any questions, comment below and let me know if you want to see a more full in-depth video. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks once again for watching this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've gotten this far, please subscribe down below, hit the like button, and click on that bell for more notifications to come. Stay tuned. Thanks.